All right, so this is the second part of Friday the 24th of April. Did I say March last time? I hope not. Anyway, a lot of the cars that left came here. So like I said, this used to be a spot. I don't know if this was before Belmore or maybe a different night. But they were kind of leaving there and coming here, some cars. Like this was their old time spot, from what somebody told me. So I'll take a quick walk around, see what we see. We'll probably see a lot of the same cars. Maybe I'll capture them in a different way. And there's still cars coming in. Actually, when I pulled in, there was a few leaving. So it just seems like everybody's scattered. Not for any particular reason, just because there's two shows and they're so close together. It literally took me like less than 15 minutes to get here from the other location. And I'm not that familiar with the area. Oh, I didn't see this one. Right? So we saw two Vegas. I haven't seen them in years, and we see two of them in the same night. This is pretty cool.
Oh boy, going down. Going down. He went down like really. No, he went down like so slow. No, we're like this.
So this definitely is a bigger spot. It's huge. So what it was here was, I know they turned it into like a flea market, like a flea market that had different booths. I don't know what it originally was. I think it was some kind of a big box store, like back in the day. I don't know if it was, I don't want to say. But there's still a lot of stores, a lot of shopping here.
They got a crimp on it. That crimson. That's how you do how old you
This is so cool. I mean, I don't know. I don't remember ever seeing one done like this. I don't know how rare they are even in two doors. So it's getting a little chilly.
He gave us.
This place is fucked up. Everybody that I worked with is gone. They left. They fly.
We had a Christmas
You got the old tape in that thing? Only when you're 40. Get one that you need for. Yeah, those are shitty, Chris. They're good with shit.
Yeah, so I think the location is better. No trains going overhead. It's pretty easy to get to. And it's a huge parking lot, but I don't know if they'll have issues. I don't really see houses around, people to complain. There's another couple of these in different spots that used to be car areas or car meetup spots. And they're doing like reunions, or I guess that's the correct word, reunions. There's one coming up, I think next month in Queens. And I know they have some in Brooklyn.
Yeah, right. Yeah.
All right, I think I'm going to end this. Maybe I'll throw this one on top of the other. I'll see how the other one is, and it's a little confusion. But a lot of nice cars. So I'm going to walk around and talk to some folks, and that's it. Hopefully it doesn't rain like they're talking about. If not, we have to find something else to do. All right, take care. Bye.